Welcome back to Truck U. We got a couple things left that we want to do to the F-350 before we get it ready for its new owner, whoever that lucky person may be. It starts right here with some products from WeatherTech. Now, we've worked with WeatherTech a lot in the past. It's a big truck, and we've got these big floor liners, and these are going to protect that floor and the value of the truck, right?
Yeah, and the way they do that is because, first of all of them are digitally laser fitted. So they literally go around with a scanner for each and every vehicle, and they've got one specific for your vehicle. So it's not a one-size-fits-all that really doesn't fit anyone. This is perfectly measured to fit your vehicle. And you can see how high it goes up in the front, the sides, and the back. And the whole idea is to completely cover the carpeted area of your truck.
So not only will this protect your carpet in your vehicle, let's say if it's newer, it'll keep it looking good, but if it's older and you already have some blemishes in the carpet or maybe a heel hole or something like that, it'll cover that up as well. And this is going to help you. Like you said, it's all going to roll down there and you dump it out nice and easy. We got the same protection for the front as we do on the back. But now let's talk about wind deflection right up here. Now we've got some old ones right here. They're a little bit twisted, beat up, and they were the ones that were stuck on here, right? So what we have to do, we've got to get all that adhesive out of there. But this, as far as installation goes, is going to be so much easier.
Because they simply snap into place. There's no messy adhesive to work to that kind of works and doesn't. They won't fade and crack like those ones do. These are strong, and they are going to bend and flex as you need them to and won't fade out when the sun's beating them.
Exactly, and these look great. Now, there is more on the back of the truck as well.
So we've got the cab of the truck all laid out, how we're going to throw some WeatherTech stuff up front, but we also want to do the same in the back. Now, it comes down to a good tonneau cover. Well, this one from WeatherTech is great in the fact that it's low profile, it looks good, it's water resistant, and it's got this auto latch system that makes it super easy to open and close. Simply pop that, and the whole thing just rolls away and gets locked up to the front of the cab of your truck. And it does so, giving you full access to the bed.
Hey, something else that we've got that is new from WeatherTech is pretty cool. Bruno's kind of rolling that up so he can reveal, and I'm just going to pull it out like this. And I took it apart a little bit. I want to show you. This is the CargoTech Pro. This is cool because it's a modular system that you can kind of build any shape that you need, right? So here, I kind of took it apart in the corner. It consists of these corner pieces here, and each corner piece has these 4 cam locks. It's pretty cool. You can buy them in sets of 2, sets of 4, whatever you need. And the cool thing is, you can go down to the hardware store and get whatever size wood you need for that. It takes a 1x4 or a 1x6. We got 1x6s in there now, but if you look at it, see where these blocks go in, you can move those down and you can put a 1x4 in there. So the wood just slides into the channel just like it is here, and the little cam lock comes down right there on that. You can make it taller because they've got these holes right here. So you can put a board in there and put screws through it so you can make this nice and tall. You know what I mean? You do whatever you want to do.
Good options,
You can lock it down. You got holes right here. You can run a bungee cord.
Well, it keeps everything from flying all over the back bed of your truck.
That's exactly what the idea is. So the other cool thing is you might say, well, that's cool. I've got everything contained, but is it going to slide around in the back of the truck? No, it's not, because just like with WeatherTech does with everything, you know, I mean, look at the bottom. That's nice rubber, like a foot on that thing right there.
It's a nice grip to it.
So whether you have a bed liner in the truck or not, you get this thing all put together and locked down. It's going to contain your stuff, and it's not going to roll around.